G'day folks, my name's Dean Gray. I'm from Cairns Property Office in Redlynch. Today we're at number 4 Burrell and Close right here in beautiful Caravonica. This 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home is on 800 square metres. Enough from me, let's enjoy the tour. There's a lot to love about this house. The kitchen's got plenty of bench space, gas cooking, solid internal walls throughout, and fully air conditioned. This property's got fantastic rear access, which is ideal if you've got a 6 metre by 5 metre shed at the back. I don't need to mention a 3.5 kilowatt solar system on the roof. To see everything about this property, you need to inspect. I look forward to seeing you at number 4 Burrell and Close right here in Caravonica.